An experienced plumber used the perfect technique to fit a valve into a pipe. And honestly, he could teach a masterclass. The water was gushing out, no access to the main valve, total chaos. How do you glue a connection when the water keeps washing everything away? Well, instead of panicking, he reached for a broom handle. Yes, that's right. With the calm of someone who's seen it all, he used the broomstick trick and got the job done. Forget fancy tools. Sometimes real skill comes with a mop, a pipe, and pure creativity.